Hey, welcome back to the Happy Years. Let's see how we can crochet this beautiful pair of Rakhi with the sunflower and leaf detailing on it. And there is also a little work of pearls as you can see. So today we'll do it in a two sections, like one for Bhai and the other one is for Bhabhi. This one you can also call it as a Lumba Rakhi. So let's see what are the materials which we'll require. Let's begin. Here I am using a 4-ply cotton crochet yarn. You can take any of your choice. So let's start with taking a magic ring, pull a loop through, and we'll make a slip knot like this. And we'll consider this as channel 1 here. So to start round 1, we have already taken channel 1. Now we'll work 8 single crochet to the ring here. Now following the same process, we have to work total 8 single crochet. Once you are done, pull the yarn tight to close the ring here, and we'll slip stitch to the very first single crochet to finish our round 1. Here. Now channel 1 to start next round. Now in this round we have to work increased single crochet. That means you will work 2 single crochet into same stitch. So here to the next stitch we are working 2 single crochet into very same stitch. So that's what we call increased single crochet. Here. Now again to the next stitch, again we'll work increased single crochet, that is 2 single crochet into same stitch, and repeat. So likewise we'll follow the same process to complete this round. Once you are at the end of the round, just slip stitch to the very first single crochet here, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. So here we are almost done with the center of the flower. You have to just pull the yarn tight in order to make the center hole disappear. So here we are done. Next we'll work on the petals. So now I'll be using a 3-ply acrylic plus cotton yarn. You can take any of your choice. Now attach the yarn by taking a slip knot here. Now to start the petal round, first channel 1, and then we'll take half double crochet to the same stitch. And then double crochet to the same stitch. Now channel 2, 1 and 2. Now we'll go to the next stitch and work double crochet. Then half double crochet into same stitch. Now chain 1 and slip stitch to the next stitch here. Now we'll just repeat to work our next petal. So this is how we can easily make our petals for the sunflower here. Now repeat the same process and work all around to complete the petals. And here we are all done with making a sunflower here. Now just you have to chain one and slip stitch to the very first stitch where we started making our first petal here. After you complete, just chain one and cut the yarn off. You can secure the left yarn or just cut them off like this here. So here we are all done crocheting this beautiful sunflower. You can use this for the flower bouquet, home decor or even hair accessory. But here we are using it to make a Rakhi. So next we'll see how to crochet the base, means how to crochet the leaf. So here I'm using this cotton yarn to crochet a leaf. We'll start with taking a magic ring, insert hook, pull a loop and make a slip knot here. Now chain 2, 1, 2 and then work double crochet to the ring. Here. Repeat same. So likewise we'll follow the same procedure and work total 10 double crochet into the ring. So just repeat and complete the round. So here we are at the end of round. Just pull the yarn tight to close the ring and slip stitch to the very first double crochet here. And we'll end this round. So now round 1 is done. To start round 2, chain 1 and then half double crochet into the same stitch. Now work increased double crochet to the next 3 stitches. In case of increased double crochet, we work 2 double crochet into same stitch like this here. Now to the next, again we'll work increased double crochet. Now repeat same to the next stitch. Now to the next stitch we'll work a increased try crochet. Then chain 1 and to the next stitch work again a increased try crochet. Now work increased double crochet to the next 3 stitches. Now to the last stitch we'll work a half double crochet here and then slip stitch to the very first here. So we are done crocheting a leaf, as you can see. Now chain 10 to make a rope, or you can say a dory for the Rakhi. And here we are. So this is how it will look. Now just take the yarn and cut it little longer here. Secure this left yarn. Cut the extra yarn here. So next we'll add the other side of chain. So attach yarn taking a slip knot here. Now chain 10. So the other side of chain is also done. Now just cut the yarn taking it little longer like this. And here it's done. Next we'll add the pearls to the dory of the Rakhi. Using crochet hook to insert the pearl to the dory like this. Now we'll make a knot around the pearl to secure it. Now repeat same for the other side as well. And here it is. Now following the same procedure, we have crocheted the other one also. Here we'll attach the yarn to make the other chain, but in case of this we are making it to the one side only. So here we have taken total 10 channels. Now just cut the yarn taking it little longer. And here, as you can see, so this we have prepared for the Lumba Rakhi, which we make for the Bhabhi. Now just secure the left yarn here. And here we are all done. So next we'll see how to add pearls, or how to make this string of pearls for the latkan. Just take any thread. I have taken the one we use for making jewelries, which is strong enough not to break. Now we'll add pearls. Here I am taking 3 different sizes, starting with the smallest one. So now just a knot around the pearl here. So this is one we have taken to secure other pearls we are going to insert. Here. Next we are going to insert the pearl. You can see the size difference. And here we go. Following same, we have prepared the other one. Now we'll see how to assemble all them together. We have to fix a sunflower right above this leaf and make sure to work it on the half. Like position your flower half on the leaf like this. Here. Now we'll just use hot glue to fix them. After putting the glue, just hold it to the position, press them together and hold it little longer. And it's done. Repeat the same for the other one. Next we'll attach the latkan made of pearls to the Lumba Rakhi here. Knot them tight to secure it well. And the left yarn you have to secure into the yarn only through using your hook. And here we are all done. So that's all for the day. I hope you enjoy crocheting it. If you like the tutorial, then please do like, share and subscribe to support our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.